welcome back. Tom here at Coyote Lane Farm and Kennel. Today we are going to be doing a chainsaw carving. I got a call last week with a request. Don't usually do them in the summer because of the heat and I'm just so busy with other projects, but this is for a special person that wants to give this as a gift. I'm not going to mention any names because I don't want to screw up the surprise, but I'm going to do it in a two-part. Part 1 and a part 2. So today we'll do part 1. At the end of part 2, obviously I'll tell you who it's for and maybe even do a little video on the presentation. Got a big old oak log picked out, and it's very hot out, but we're gonna give her a stab and see what we can do. Thanks for joining me. Thanks for watching. So this is the log I picked out for the carving. That is a hard tree. Wow. Look at that. It's pretty cool. You need to help me lift this up. Get over here.
No.
Come on, farm girl. Get over here. Come on now. So we're just going to go straight up. No, this side. We're both going to lift so it stands up like this one, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay. What do you smell, Dolly?
Your breath would make a freight train take a dirt road.
I get no respect around here. hot out. This toad fried hopping across the driveway. Now that's hot. I like to take a minute every once in a while and just draw a few lines here and there, give myself a couple reference points to go by, and kind of just take a look at the carving from different sides to see if everything's coming into proportion or not. But so far, this one's looking pretty good. We'll see how it goes from here.
We all can't wait for part 2.